this is a trap, and our entire goal is to spot it and exploit it.
Section 2. Types of market divergence.
So, what exactly happens when those baseline relationships just completely break down? What happens when the positioning data actually starts lying to us? Well, that's what we call intermarket divergence. It's this wild condition where the COT positioning data from one market completely contradicts what a related market is doing. Think of it like being an ER doctor, right? If your patient comes in with perfectly normal blood pressure but their resting heart rate is sitting at 160 beats per minute, something is profoundly wrong. The vital signs are diverging. In our world, that structural disagreement between related assets is exactly what creates our maximum edge.
We're basically hunting for very specific distortions across this web. For example, a type 1 is a gold-dollar divergence. Let's say the gold COT is telling us gold is oversold and it should bounce, but the dollar COT is screaming that the dollar is also oversold and should bounce. Well, a strong dollar is bearish for gold, so we have a major contradiction. Type 2 is a gold-bond divergence, where gold positioning totally contradicts where the bond market thinks interest rates are actually going. Type 3 is when equities diverge from the pack. When these big groups of speculators start betting in opposite directions, one of them is fundamentally wrong, and man, they are about to get absolutely squeezed. And when these signals start stacking up, that's when things get really exciting.
Because that brings us to the holy grail of our framework, the Type 4 triple divergence. This is the absolute maximum signal. It happens when the dollar, bonds, and equities literally gang up on an isolated gold market. Imagine this. Gold speculators are just all in long, but the dollar COT expects a massive rally, and the bond COT expects yields to spike. You've got three massive markets signaling a brutal impending gold correction, while gold traders are just blindly buying, usually out of pure stubbornness. Guys, this is a trap, and our entire goal is to spot it and exploit it.